Alright guys, after activating QuickBooks Addon RepairBuddy WordPress plugin, you will see the options of QuickBooks settings in your RepairBuddy WordPress plugin menus. And what you have to do, you first have to select if you are going to use sandbox or production. Then go here in your developer account and create an app here. Clicking this button, you can start creating an app and name your app like RepairBuddy third test, and you have to select these options. Create your app, and after creating your app, you have to copy this URL. Remember, it will be different on your website, so make sure you copy it from here. Go to key and credentials if you are in development setting, and if you need production one, you can go here. Alright, so key and credentials, copy your key, copy your client secret, and add that URI which you copied from there. Oh sorry, not this one here, and paste that URI here and save it. Now you can copy client ID and client secret, paste them here, and the same URL which is here, you have to paste that also here. And now select a job order status, like when your order status changes to delivered or in process, that will automatically create your QuickBooks invoice. Alright, so if you want to create manually QuickBooks invoices like from jobs page, then you can keep it manually using a button. Save it. Now you can fetch customers from QuickBooks, and now you will see that you have granted access to this company, and that company have 32 customers in QuickBooks. You can start fetching those customers in your RepairBuddy, so you can use them in your jobs, and you can see they are coming now. And after that, you are creating your jobs, like you are selecting a customer here, you are adding your devices, you are adding your parts, services, extras, and what you do, you create QuickBooks invoice, or if you have selected this option, it will automatically create QuickBooks invoice, and it have created 160 number invoice in QuickBooks. Now you can go to QuickBooks and see that invoice which have been created, and it's something okay, that's 160 number. So let's open that one. So this invoice already have been created in QuickBooks, and that's great. And you can see this case number is also in that reference there. Don't know why it takes so much time. Sandbox mode. Alright, it's done. You can see. Alright, parts, it also mentioned device with it. Alright, so this is the case number. That's it.